Hey YouTube, what's up? This is an unboxing video for the PCWizkid giveaway. I won this Christmas Day and it took me about 3 months to collect it because it got mixed up in some shipping or posting to the address in my country, so it's kind of actually my fault for it taking so long, and this is just the unboxing of it. So I won the Zalman GPU cooler, and it's going to be going on my 4850. Kinda excited about it because I never had an aftermarket heatsink on some PCWizkid, and here too. Yeah, this is it. Woo! Alright. So what we have here is the Zalman Extreme Gaming VGA cooler, the GV1000. See the top of the packaging, back, let's see. Flat copper base. Let's get this open. So what we have here first is the fan controller for the GPU fan. We have RAM sinks, screws and mounting hardware, and a case badge with some thermal paste and some thermal pads. And then we have cooler. It's solid. It's aluminum fins with a solid copper base. You could see me in the camera, yeah. And it's very shiny. Yes, quite shiny. It uses a 3-pin to hook up to the fan controller. It has 4 copper heat pipes and I think a blue LED fan, which is quite good because my case uses blue fans and it will look real cool. So that's it. This wraps up the video for the Zalman D Machine GV1000 GPU cooler from the PCWizkid giveaway. And thank you so much, PCWizkid. Now I can overclock, and yes, as I was saying, my room gets so hot that my graphics card sometimes reaches temperatures I wouldn't believe a 4850 could reach. So thank you very much, PCWizkid. I appreciate it very much, very much, and I'm quite excited to install it. So thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Rate, subscribe, comment, and see you later.